Project SkyReaper is a cutting-edge, untapped secret technology in military aviation, representing the pinnacle of advanced warfare and intelligence. This helicopter concept, unlike any other in the world, employs autonomous artificial intelligence AI to predict, react, and neutralize threats before they even emerge. While most current military helicopters rely on human pilots, Project SkyReaper eliminates this dependency, placing complete control into the hands of its highly sophisticated AI systems. Designed to dominate the skies with lethal precision, it stands as one of the most advanced, stealthy, and autonomous combat helicopters that could forever change the landscape of modern warfare. The core function of SkyReaper is the AI-driven tactical decision-making system, which is designed to read and predict enemy movements with uncanny accuracy. This revolutionary AI, which functions in real time, can process an immense amount of battlefield data and act in milliseconds, allowing the SkyReaper to strike before its enemies even know it's there. Its self-learning algorithms are trained on thousands of real-world combat scenarios, using neural networks to constantly adapt to new threats, tactics, and environments. And like other unmanned vehicles, SkyReaper's intelligence doesn't simply follow pre-programmed directives, it actively learns from the battlefield, evolving into a combat strategist that grows smarter with each mission. SkyReaper's design is as deadly as its intelligence. The helicopter features a sleek, aerodynamic airframe that minimizes its radar signature, making it nearly invisible to enemy detection systems. Its radar-absorbing materials help reduce its visibility, but it's the next-level stealth features that make this helicopter a true ghost in the sky. The helicopter uses adaptive camouflage technology to blend seamlessly with its surroundings, whether it's flying low over a jungle or soaring at high altitudes through mountain ranges. Its adaptive materials change color and reflectivity based on the environment, ensuring that SkyReaper remains undetected by both visual and infrared sensors. In terms of propulsion, the SkyReaper uses an advanced hybrid power system, combining a highly efficient turbine engine with electric drive motors. This hybrid system not only provides the helicopter with incredible speed and maneuverability but also ensures it operates at a much lower noise level compared to conventional rotor systems. Its rotor blades are specially designed to minimize sound, allowing SkyReaper to fly undetected by both enemy radar and acoustic sensors, an essential feature in the stealth operations it is designed for. However, it's not just the stealth and intelligence that sets the SkyReaper apart, it's also its unparalleled combat capabilities. Armed with state-of-the-art weaponry, including laser-guided missiles, precision drones, and next-gen railguns, this helicopter is a formidable opponent in any conflict. What makes SkyReaper even more dangerous is its ability to use its AI-driven prediction models to lock onto and eliminate targets with pinpoint accuracy, long before they have a chance to react. This predictive targeting system analyzes enemy movements, predicts their next steps, and calculates the optimal time to strike, ensuring a lethal hit with minimal collateral damage. But SkyReaper's weapon systems don't just rely on traditional armaments. The helicopter has integrated electronic warfare capabilities, including the ability to jam enemy communications, disrupt radar signals, and hack into adversarial systems. These features allow SkyReaper to incapacitate enemy air defenses, creating chaos within hostile forces and rendering them vulnerable to follow-up attacks from other units. Whether it's blinding enemy radar or intercepting communications, this helicopter can turn the tide of battle without firing a single shot. SkyReaper's most terrifying feature may be its ability to operate autonomously. It doesn't need a human pilot to make crucial decisions on the battlefield, reducing the risk of human error or emotional hesitation. Its autonomous nature makes it an ideal asset for covert missions where human intervention could risk exposure. It can infiltrate enemy airspace, execute surgical strikes, and exfiltrate with no human involvement at all. The AI is also capable of working alongside other machines and human operatives, acting as a highly efficient commander of drone swarms or coordinating with ground units for maximum battlefield effectiveness. Beyond its combat prowess, SkyReaper is designed to be an all-encompassing surveillance platform. It's equipped with a full array of sensors, from infrared and thermal imaging to hyperspectral and quantum radar. This makes it not just a combat tool, but a surveillance asset capable of gathering intelligence on a scale previously unimaginable. It can detect enemy movements, monitor large swaths of terrain, and gather critical data on enemy infrastructure without being detected. With its onboard sensor suite, SkyReaper is a perfect asset for reconnaissance and intelligence gathering, capable of tracking over 100 targets simultaneously, all while staying completely undetected.